Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you which fuse to check in case your USB port, USB charger is not working. This video should apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2024. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel, just behind this cover. Now to remove the cover, you just want to gently pry it out using like a small flat screwdriver or a small key or anything similar. So just pry it here and pop it gently down. On the back side you will have small fuse diagram and this black piece. This is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the USB charger fuse will be fuse number 2, which is a 15M blue fuse located right here in the bottom left corner. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.